Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any future updates from me. Hello guys, it's Random Stuff Friday here back with another video. In today's video I'm going to install a fog light which are pretty damn good. I mean the output is too much. It's 120 watts rating for one fog light. It's basically 2-in-1 fog light. It has amber color as well as white color. So let me show you the fog light first. This is the packaging. I purchased it from banggood.com. I will leave a link in the description box below. In the past video I have shown you one fog light which has 30 watts of output, but this single fog light has 120 watts of output, 60 watts for white color and 60 watts for amber color. It has 9 modes in it. I will show you later in the cinematics, or I will make a video of that as well, the 9 modes of it. And let me show you, because of the light it's not focusing. Let me show you properly. As you can see here, it has 3 LEDs in it, around 24 LEDs. So yeah, I'm not going to show you how to install this because I've already shown in my past video how you can install a fog light on your bike, but I will explain you the wiring, because this has 3 wires in it. One is red, one is black and one is yellow. Red and black will switch on the fog light, and yellow wire is to switch on the modes. So I will show you later. I will make a wiring diagram of it and explain you that as well. So yeah, after this short intro, let's begin with the procedure. Okay guys, so before proceeding with the procedure to installation, let me explain you how does the switch works. As you can see in the wiring diagram below, the switch has 5 wires. One will be red, one will be black, one will be green, one will be white and one will be blue. I have written down there which wire does which work. Red and black are negative and positive of the switch LED. Green wire is the input. White wire is normally closed, or it's an output, and blue wire is normally open, which is also an output. Basically this switch works as a 5-pin relay. In my past video of switchback circuit, I have explained you how does a 5-pin relay works. So yeah, that's how the switch works. Make sure you download this wiring diagram from the link mentioned in the description box below. That's how the switch works. Now I will show you the next wiring diagram. Okay guys, so this is the wiring diagram for the fog light which I am going to install. Now let me tell you, this fog light has 2 colors, so it has 3 wires, black, red and yellow. Black and red are the negative and positive terminals to switch on the fog light. Yellow wire, it will switch between the modes. So this is the self-locking switch which I have installed on my bike. So the red wire and white wire will get connected to the 85 number relay, because I want the LED to turn on. I mean the LED on the switch to turn on only when the ignition key is turned on, okay, or the switch is turned on. When I will turn on the switch, then only the ring light on the LED will glow. So the red wire of that and white wire has to be connected on 85 number. Then the green wire will get connected to the ignition positive there. Ignition positive, or this wire or connector which provides current only when the key is turned on. Then the blue wire has to be kept vacant. It's not to be used, because that provides current only when it is normally open, so it will provide current when the switch is turned off, so you don't have to use that wire. And the black wire will get connected to the ground or chassis of the vehicle. 30 number of the relay with an inline fuse to the batteries positive, 86 to the ground or chassis of the vehicle, 87, here you have to connect two wires, and one wire will get connected to the one fog light red and another to the another fog light red positive. Black wire from fog light, both will get connected to the ground, and now the yellow wire. Now here you will need a momentary switch as well. As you can see here, I am using the same momentary switch which has five wires in it, and the wiring is also same, but you don't need a relay here. Okay, the red wire and white wire will get connected to the yellow. Okay, the blue wire is vacant. Green wire will get connected to the ignition positive, or wire or connector which will provide current only when the switch key is turned on. Black will get connected to the ground or chassis of the vehicle. That's all for this wiring. And now you can use a normal switch as well, self-locking switch, which is very cheap. I mean, it gets mounted on the handlebar itself, the red one which I had showed in my past video of fog light. You can install that as well. So if you are going to install that switch, it will have only two wires. One wire will get connected to the ignition positive, another wire to the 85. Rest all wiring will be the same. Now here also you can install a normal momentary switch which will have two wire. Momentary switch means it's like a bell button in your house which doesn't get locked, or the horn switch which you have on your bike or vehicle is also a momentary switch. It doesn't get locked. So that's the momentary switch. And self-locking switch means it gets locked when you push it. So if you have to disengage it or switch it off, you have to press it again. That's the self-locking switch. Now momentary switch also will have two wires. If you are using a normal one will get connected to the ignition positive, and another one will get connected to the yellow of both the fog lights. Okay, so that's all for this wiring diagram. Make sure you download this wiring diagram before proceeding with the installation. So yeah, now let's begin with the procedure. Okay guys, so let's begin with the procedure. As you can see, what all things you have to remove. You have to remove both the seats, you have to remove the tank panel, and I've removed one side fog lights. As you can see down there, this is the first one and this is the second one, and I will remove on that side as well. Then I will install the new fog light and I will show you how does it work. Okay guys, so I've installed the fog light now. As you can see, these five wires actually, these are the wires of that fog light, and these two switches, one is momentary, one is self-locking one. This one is for the charger which I showed in the past video. So yeah, after installing back all the panels, I will show you the working of it. And make sure before doing this procedure you check the link in the description box below for wiring diagram. Download that wiring diagram and then only start this procedure. So yeah, I will install back all the panels and get back to you and show you how does it work. Okay guys, so the installation of the fog lights has been done now. This switch, the switch in the middle, I have shown this switch in the last video. This switch in the middle is going to switch on the fog light, and to switch between the modes, this momentary switch will work. Now let me turn on this. Let me turn off the light as well. As you can see, now when I press this switch, it will change the modes. This is the first one, this is second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and this is the 10th one, 11th, 12th, and this is the first one once again. So yeah, I will go to some dark place and show you the output now. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's pretty dark here. Now let me show you the light output, but I'm not going to show you all the modes. I'm just going to show you both the colors LED on, and one white and one amber. So yeah, let me turn on it. This is the both lights turned on. Now let me switch it. This is white, this is yellow. So yeah, that's the light output. As you can see how much it's covering here right now. So yeah, that's all for this video. Okay, so you just saw the output of the foglets which I installed, and the foglets which I had already installed. I had two types of foglets. One was white and one was amber. The white one was 30 watts each, so 60 watts, and the yellow or amber was 20 watts each, so 40 watts. So it was 100 watts in total. Now these foglets are 120 watts in total. So make sure you install a relay if you want to install these foglets on your bike. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, comment your views, and press the bell icon to never miss any future updates from me. Till then, ride safe, be safe, and don't be a squid.